Hey, it's Amanda. Welcome back to my kitchen, and I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I'm gonna show you how to make couscous because it's truly easy AF. Okay, couscous. It's not always what you have as a side dish for dinner, but you should. And don't be confused, this is not a grain. This is made out of semolina pasta. And one of the best couscous I ever had was in Israel, but here in New York, Chef Einat Admani, one of my dear friends, makes it fresh. So she really, truly makes the best. All you need is 1 cup of couscous. I have 1.5 to 1.25 vegetable stock here, depending on how wet and how moist we want it. And then I'm gonna put herbs. Now you can put anything. You can put absolutely nothing. Always make sure you put salt and pepper. We're gonna season the couscous because everything goes into this bowl. But I'm gonna use chives that have already been chopped, parsley already chopped, and a little bit of basil because I'm serving this with some vegetables. And this is feeling very Mediterranean to me. And I'm just gonna bunch this together and do a chiffonade. Now if you don't know how to chiffonade, check back with my EasyAF on how to cut herbs in a chiffonade manner. Look at that. Whew, that's gorgeous. I don't even need all of that. I get crazy when it comes to basil. I just want more, more, more. Now, that's it. I'm gonna add a little bit of saffron just for fun because I love saffron. If you have it, it's luxurious. It's a treat. Obviously, we all know how expensive it is, so maybe just a little pinch. It'll give it color, it'll give it flavor. Okay, so my stock has to come to a boil, and then it's getting poured over the couscous. That's it. I'm not kidding. I know I say everything's easy AF, but this truly is. Forget about your potatoes, your pasta, your rice side dish. This is what you want to have for dinner. This is going to be impressive to your family, and all of a sudden it'll be on the table fast. So just mix together the herbs and the couscous before you pour the stock over. Get your saran wrap ready, because that's all you need to cook it. This is boiling. We pour it over. Wrap it up, guys. And then it's going to absorb the liquid. I mean, honestly, this takes 5 minutes maximum. And then it's ready. See you in 5. Okay, our couscous is ready. It's absorbed all of the stock. The herbs have wilted. It smells incredible. So we do what you would normally do with rice. With a fork, you just fluff it and mix all the herbs into it. Bring all the seasoning around, salt and pepper. It's beautiful, it's fluffy, and it's ready to serve. You know, this is North African in origin. It can be served with Moroccan dishes, Israeli dishes, Italian dishes, anything you like. Bringing a little bit of travel into your home. So we're gonna put it inside the bowl and we're gonna top it with some vegetables. Now couscous is originally paired with things that are very saucy. You know, seafood broths, lamb tagine, chicken, Moroccan chicken with apricots and everything that's delicious, and it absorbs all the flavors. I'm gonna put vegetables. We're doing a little vegetarian because this can be a full side, but top it with salmon or chicken or anything you like to make it a complete dinner. And I have some vegetable stock rolling around in these veggies. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna top it off with a little basil because we always like to make it pretty and connect all those flavors. And there is your couscous. And you know why. It's easy AF. And I'm gonna taste it because it's delicious. Look how pretty that is. Oh yeah.